If you're a teacher during this crisis, you're expected to completely change, for almost all of you, how you're going to deliver instruction to students. And this can be very stressful. I would like to offer some tips for how to reduce that stress. I'm going to give you one today, and I will follow up with more videos in the coming days. But today's tip deals with how to lower your stress by playing to your strengths. You have a natural method of solving problems. It's been with you since you were a baby. It's with you today. It doesn't change over time. It's your natural creative process. You need to stick with that and not let yourself get pulled out of your game. There's a lot of scientific research to back this up. It's based on the Kolbe theory, originated by Kolbe, and there's plenty of information about that. If you'd like to start looking into it, you can go to dynamind.com. It's shown at the bottom of the screen. Another resource for you is kolbe.com. That will also show up at the bottom of the screen. Those are two places where you can go to begin to explore this if you want. You have these strengths, and these strengths, this natural problem-solving method you have is always your best work. So you need to avoid taking recommendations of how to take action from people who don't operate in the same way that you do. They may be different in the level of specificity that they require before they can take action. They may differ in the level of planning they need to do before they begin. Some of you will plan fairly detailed and rigorous plans before you're ready to move forward. Others may plan kind of as you go along and don't plan a great deal in advance, but you let the conditions alter and change where you go, and it's sort of like what's the next step is more how you plan. You need to go with what works for you. I know that you're dealing with new technologies, probably dealing with trying to reach students and collaborate with them and inspire them, and you're missing the inspiration that they give you. So during this time, your best friend is your natural way of being creative in the world, your natural problem-solving method. Stick with it. Go with what you know works for you. I'm Bret Loucks with Compassionate Education. You feel free to subscribe to the channel. You can like this video, that'd be great. But most importantly, I'd like you to make some comments below on the things that are working for you to reach your students when they're trying to learn from a distance. Let's make this a resource for teachers who are not sure what they can do. Then they can pick and choose what will work for them from comments that you make. Thank you for watching.